Are you struggling to make your WordPress website stand out? Do you want a design that not only looks professional but also keeps visitors engaged? Today, I'm going to share 10 amazing strategies to unlock the secrets of WordPress design, whether you're a beginner or an expert. Let's dive in. 1. Choose the right theme. The foundation of great WordPress design starts with the right theme. A lightweight, fast, and customizable theme will improve performance and flexibility. Some top choices include Astra, GeneratePress, and Kadence. These themes are optimized for speed and offer seamless integration with page builders. 2. Optimize for speed and performance. A slow website can ruin the user experience and kill your rankings on Google. To speed up your site, use caching plugins like WP Rocket, optimize images with Smush or TinyPNG, and enable a CDN like Cloudflare to load assets faster. 3. Builder for easy customization. Gone are the days of coding everything manually. With drag-and-drop page builders like Elementor, Bricks, or Divi, you can create stunning layouts in minutes. These tools give you full control over design while keeping everything user-friendly. 3. Improve typography for readability. Typography plays a huge role in user experience. Choose clean, readable fonts like Poppins, Roboto, or Laura. Use a clear font hierarchy, larger for headlines, medium for subheadings, and readable body text to ensure easy scanning. 4. Master color psychology. Color isn't just about aesthetics, it influences how people feel and act on your site. Use warm colors for excitement and action, cool colors for trust and calmness. Tools like Adobe Color can help you pick a professional color palette. 5. Add microinteractions for engagement. Small interactions can make a big difference. Subtle hover effects, smooth scrolling animations, and engaging transitions keep users interested. Plugins like Motion.page and Lottie files add microinteractions easily. 6. Mobile-first design. With over 50% of traffic coming from mobile, your site must be responsive. Test it on different screen sizes using Chrome's DevTools or online tools like BrowserStack. Keep text readable, buttons large, and images properly scaled. 7. Use high-quality images and icons. Low-quality images ruin credibility. Use royalty-free sites like Unsplash and Pexels for sharp visuals. SVG icons from Font Awesome or ICO Moon ensure your design looks modern and professional. 8. Enhance design with custom CSS. Even if you use a page builder, a little custom CSS can make your site stand out. Want to change button colors on hover? Add smooth animations? Custom CSS gives you complete control. Plugins like Simple Custom CSS help you apply styles easily. 9. Keep navigation simple and user-friendly. A complex menu can confuse visitors. Keep navigation clear and simple. Use a maximum of 6 to 7 menu items, include a search bar, and enable breadcrumbs for easy browsing. This improves both usability and SEO. Now that you know these 10 amazing strategies, it's time to implement them. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more WordPress design tips. See you in the next video.